My name is Trishika. I am studying in UKG.
Jnanapita Awards winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award winners from Karnataka. Kuvempu, Dara Bendre, Shivaram Karan, Masi Venkatesh Iyengar, V.K. Goka, Yuvaranandamurti, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhar Kambara.
Classical dance
Classical dance
form of India.
form of India. ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯಂ ತಮಿಳುನಾಡು, ಕಥಕ್ಕಳಿ ಕೇರಳ, ಕಥಕ್ ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್, ಮಣಿಪುರಿ ಮಣಿಪುರ್, ಕುಚುಪುಡಿ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್, ಒಡಿಸ್ಸಾ, ಸತಾನಿಯಾ ಅಸ್ಸಾಂ, ಮಕ್ಕಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯಪ್ರದೇಶ್, ದಾನಿಯಾ ಗುಜರಾತ್, ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Rivers of
ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್
India.
ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಪುತ್ರ, ಗಂಗಾ, ಗೋದಾವರಿ, ಇನ್ನಸ್, ಕಾವೇರಿ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ, ಮಹಾನದಿ, ನರ್ಮದಾ, ಪೆರಿಯಾರ್, ತಮಿಳಾಭರಣಿ, ವೈಗೈ, ಯಮುನಾ.
National
National
festivals.
festivals. January 26 Republic Day, August 15 Independence Day, September 5 Teachers Day, October 2 Gandhi Jayanti, November 14 Children's Day.
Seven Wonders of
Seven Wonders of
India.
India. Gomateshwara in Karnataka, Taj Mahal in Delhi, Hampi Temple in Karnataka, Konark Sun Temple in Odisha, Naranda University in Bihar, Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh, Golden Temple in Punjab.
Planets in solar
Planets in solar
system.
system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
10 Mukhya
10 Mukhya
Upanishads.
Upanishads: Ishagyasa Upanishads, Kena Upanishads, Katha Upanishads, Mundaka Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, Haikelya Upanishad, Taikelya Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Dashavatara Lord Vishnu, Matsya, Kurma, Vahara, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Chamarajanagar, Chikkaballapur, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gadag, Hasan, Haveri, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kolara, Koppala, Manya, Mysore, Ramnagar, Raichur, Shimoga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijaypura, Yakiri.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals: Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Muharram, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women Freedom Fighters of India, Durga Pai Deshmukh, Aruna Safali, Sujeta Kurbalini, ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ, ಕೇಳದಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ, ಓಣಕೆ ಒಬ್ಬವ್ವ, ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಪಂಡಿತ್, ಸರೋಜಿನಿ ನಾಯ್ಡು, ಝಾನ್ಸಿ ರಾಣಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಬಾಯಿ.
Seven colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Indian monuments.
Indian monuments: Agra Fort, Ajanta Cave, Charminar, Gateway of India, Golden Temple, Gol Gumbaz, Hampi Temple, Iron Pillar, Jama Masjid, Rajarawa Temple, Meg Palace, Mysore Palace, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Taj Mahal.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharad Rutu, Hemanta Rutu. Shishira Rutu:
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar months: Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha, Ashada, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashvija, Kartika, Margashira, Pusha, Magha, Palguna.
Main agricultural
Main agricultural
products.
product: rice, wheat, sugarcane, coffee, cotton, milk.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India: Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Krishnuvardhana, Mauryavarma, Amoghavarsha, Madakali Nayaka, ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ, ಅಕ್ಕ ಬುಕ್ಕ, ಜಯಚಾಮರಾಜ ಒಡೆಯ, ಕೆಂಪೇಗೌಡ.
International airports in India.
International airports in India: Indira Gandhi Airport, New Delhi, Rajiv Gandhi Airport, Hyderabad, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, Mumbai, Chennai Airport, Chennai, Kempegowda Airport, Bangalore.
Five sense organs.
5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasties: Chalukya, Chola, Vaishalya, Maurya, Gupta, Rashtrakuta, Mughal, Vijayanagara, Vardhan.
Countries and
Countries and
capitals.
capitals: Afghanistan, Kabul, Argentina, Buenos Aires, Australia, Canberra, Asia, Vienna, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Belgium, Brussels, Bhutan, Thimphu, Brazil, Brasilia, Bulgaria, Sofia, Canada, Ottawa, Chile, Santiago, China, Brazil, Colombia, Bogota, Denmark, Copenhagen, Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo, Egypt,